What's good? Hey, this your boy TJ Quick. Hey, I'm just giving y'all a little update on my little e-bike here. You know what I'm saying? 1500 watt brushless motor, 48 volt, 52 volt, 17 amp hour battery on that thing. But check this out. I ain't seen nobody on YouTube do it like this. Yeah, your boy done put the motorcycle fairing on the e-bike. Little Street Fighter deal. Came out pretty nice. Matches up pretty well with the color. And yeah, the look fits. Just wanted to give y'all a little update. Y'all know how I do, you know what I'm saying? Just a little custom deal here, custom deal there. You know what I'm saying? Making it like I like it. I already know it's a bunch of videos on YouTube. E-bike this, e-bike that. Dudes putting wheels and hub motor kits on old raggedy bikes. They find out the trash can or the dumpster. But I decided to go ahead and buy a new bike, all new parts from scratch. Put the little pegs on the front wheels, some little cheap deals off eBay. Didn't put any on the rear. No, I'm not doing any stunts or tricks or bullshit. I'm just riding and trying to look cool. About 40 mile an hour top speed. Everywhere I go, it turn ahead. People are like, that's cool. And I'm like, thanks. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little update. Appreciate the view. If you like what I'm doing so far, you know what I'm saying, give it a thumbs up. Hell, subscribe to my channel. Soon I'm gonna do a video doing a test drive, letting y'all see what kind of power she got. All right, peace.